You know, the end of the year can sometimes hit us like a ton of bricks. You may be feeling a bit lost, stuck, wondering where the time went, and uncertain about what to do to make the next year different. Every January, you may set these big goals, and then 3 weeks later, you lose motivation. It's okay to feel that way. I am right there with you. Life can be a roller coaster, and sometimes we just find ourselves at a crossroads, just unsure of which path to take. We're nearing the end of the year, and you may feel as if it's too late, and you might as well just give up and try again next month. I'm here to tell you that you have the now. It is never too late, and together we will make these last weeks of 2023 the most productive with a strong finish and start 2024 on a positive note. All your goals will be accomplished and your best self is waiting for you. Now, this year might not have lived up to your expectations. Let's be honest, this year was a roller coaster of emotions. Listen to me when I say it is okay. You can't change the past. Plus, it's most likely gonna happen again, to be honest. Life has a funny way of just throwing curveballs our way. And honestly, I've just started to look at them as lessons. The most important thing is that we don't repeat the same cycle of procrastination and negativity, but instead hit that reset button and steer in the positive direction. Give yourself a moment to acknowledge and accept that this year didn't unfold exactly as you planned. Reflect on what did go well. Even in the toughest times, there are silver linings. Take note of your achievements, the lessons that you learned, and the personal growth that you've experienced. Celebrate those wins, no matter how small they may seem. Progress is progress. Life is stressful, and it can be easy for all the good things to pass us by and for us only to focus on the negative. We don't realize that there's actually more reasons for us to be appreciative and optimistic in our life. It allows for us to go through our days with purpose and excitement. When we stay focusing on the failures, the disappointments, any regrets, we aren't allowing ourselves to find solutions and focus on the opportunities. Instead, we're staying stuck in that same negative cycle. Alright, so now that I had my little snack, I got my movement in, I am now going to clean the whole house. I have not cleaned out the kitchen cabinets in about more than 3 months, and that's really bad, and I know it's really bad. I'm gonna also do some laundry. I'm cleaning my bed sheets. We're gonna do some vacuuming, setting a clean foundation, feeling organized, feeling at peace, and starting this new year strong. Let's get motivated. Let's put on some music and let's do this. In order to be able to step into this fresh start and stop the cycle of procrastination, we need to set up our environment for success and hit the ground running from day one. Decluttering your physical space will have a positive impact on your mental clarity. Get rid of all unnecessary items and organize your surroundings. Think about your current mindset and how it's affecting your well-being and you getting closer to your dream life. Our mindset sets the tone for how we approach life's opportunities and obstacles. By shifting our perspective, we create a foundation of optimism and possibility. This positive outlook becomes a driving force as we set goals, face challenges, and pursue our dreams. We get in the way of achieving our own goals, to be honest. We start to rationalize with us skipping workouts, scrolling on social media, cluttering our items, watching one more episode of our favorite show. Every day is a new beginning. We have to take each day as an opportunity to reinvent ourselves and stay disciplined and resilient. No matter how you feel or what obstacle comes your way, stay consistent. No matter how much time we have wasted until now, during these next weeks, you have control of your choices. So make it worth it. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I went to sleep late yesterday putting up all the Christmas decorations. Actually, let me turn this on. So the final phase of this productive day that we are on of getting ready for the new year, we are going to be doing some reflecting and some goal setting. So the worksheets that I'm going to be working on, I linked down below. It's in my 30-day action plan guide that I created for you guys of the yearly review, which I already started to fill out. I was too excited, y'all. So I have a brainstorm sheet, which we're going to literally write down anything that comes to mind in these categories to really help us nail down our top 3 goals for the new year. Let's do it, you guys. Now, in order to go in headstrong for the new year, you need to reflect on what went well this year and what didn't. Look at the goals you accomplished and which ones you didn't follow through with. Most importantly, take the time to ask yourself why you didn't follow through. What did you learn? And what did you want to implement? There are several reasons why we may lack the motivation to achieve certain goals. And by us understanding more of why will really help us to take the necessary steps in the future to achieve them. Set a achievable, clear target that will get you out of bed and wanting to take action. Identify the steps you need to take every single day to achieve those big goals. Get the knowledge you need and set up a routine to hold you accountable. All right, guys, so I just finished. It's looking so good. I can visually see the whole year. Like, I know what I need to get done. Like, I'm going into 2024 with a mission, you guys. I now just have to put in the work. And these worksheets also really helped, especially the brainstorm. Like for health, I put my skincare routine. I want to nail that down. So, growth, journaling, finances. Obviously, I want to grow more passive income. I want to pay off my debt. It was very refreshing just to go through all the areas in my life and just take a pause to see where I'm at, where I want to be, and be able to set up this plan. So I set up my top 3 goals for 2024. These 3 goals are gonna happen. I am manifesting it into the universe. That is a wrap, you guys. But it was very productive and very refreshing to do this little reset to help us get ready for this new year. I'm feeling so good right now, mentally and spiritually, emotionally. I'm excited for what's to come. I really hope that this video inspired you guys to take a day or a week this month to allow yourself to reset. Really build that momentum and that motivation into this new year. I don't want you to go into 2024 with the same mindset, the same habits, the same routines, because you're not allowing yourself to reach your highest potential. You're not allowing yourself to live that life that you deserve, where you are happy, you are fulfilled, you are living your purpose, and you're excited every morning when you wake up, working towards a vision. Remember to start small, 1% better every day. The small steps add up. Give yourself some grace, all right? There's gonna be days that you're not going to show up, but show up the next day. Give it your all. Give it your 110%. Thank y'all so much for watching this video and resetting with me. My website is also now live, so you can go and check that out. I have more resources. I have some freebies. I have some merchandise. I have my blog on there also, so you guys can get all the resources and all the tools that you need to become your best self. As always, I appreciate you guys so much, and stay blessed.
Oh my, what a one.